Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White, and today we are going to walk through the pieces that I picked up from the new Tom Ford Soleil Neige collection. You guys, I've been anxiously awaiting for this to launch. You know I love some good Tom Ford. So I did pick up some pieces, and today I thought what I would do is just kind of walk you through what I picked up and give you swatches. And then again, I am wearing it today. I have other videos coming up with a tutorial wearing some of these on my face. So today we will just walk through and do some swatching. So I picked up two of the quads here, and I picked up the Soleil Neige. You guys, this was just calling my name. Now these colors, I don't necessarily wear these darker colors all the time, but I love navy blue, and I could not pass this up. I just thought, you know what, this could be a super beautiful look, not only for kind of evening, but I feel like you could use this with as a liner, kind of that really lovely icy beautifulness. This quad is going to make the most gorgeous eye ever. So we've got that icy white, this beautiful kind of taupe. I love this navy right here. And then this is the kind of gunmetal gray. Let me swatch these for you wet. Then this is the swatches wet. I had a little bit of combination, you guys. I had a little bit on my finger, so my white is a little off, but look how crystalline. These are so gorgeous. Like this color, awesome. Cannot wait to play with that. Okay, now the other one that I picked up was the more neutral one. I passed on the mint green. I may pick that up a little bit later date. To be honest, the place where I was buying it from sold out of it, but I wasn't sure I would actually wear that mint green anyways, but it is pretty and interesting to me. So let me go swatch this guy. It is on my eyes right now, and I just find like this one is going to be one that it's going to be super versatile for a lot of people. Here is this one. You guys, this is another one, just super pretty. I just want you to see how gorgeous the colors of these are. This rich brown is so pretty. You guys know I love this color, kind of a rose gold, amber, and just really wearable and so pretty. Really pretty and soft on the eyes. Then I also picked up one of the cream shadows. I ended up going with the one with the beautiful kind of lighter topper and then this taupey shimmery gray. This is so pretty. Here is this swatched. This is the cream shadow. There's the topper. And then I'm gonna put this on top for you. Then I topped it with the topper. You guys, this looks right up my alley. And I do love Tom Ford cream shadows. I do have platinum, so I will, when I do the video, you guys, I will pull that out and see if it is like very similar to that one. But isn't that a gorgeous? This is just your easy eye. I love that. Cannot wait to play with that one. Then we are going to now swatch the glow sticks. So I was not going to get both. There's three of them. There was one that I thought was just gonna be a little bit too dark for me. I ended up picking up the Soleil Neige. This is the one that is more of a peach kind of coral with that icy, this is kind of a peach more coral, and then with that kind of icy highlighter. Very pretty. That is what I'm wearing today. And then I picked up the Majev. Again, I'm butchering this, but this one has the more rosy, cooler toned blush that I tend to like this color for myself. And then it's got this pretty kind of almost rose gold highlighters. So let's swatch those for you. Okay, you guys, here are the glow sticks that I have. This one, as you can see, is sort of that peachy, bright coral pop. And then it's kind of got a gold highlight, but it is a little more icy gold. I love that. It's really pretty. And then this is right up my alley, you guys. This is what I absolutely love, these tones. This is going to be more of your pinkish rose, kind of a dusty rose, and then here's your rose gold highlighter that it looks a little bit deeper in the actual stick. It looks like it's going to be a little bit, but it seems to be very wearable. So pretty. Okay, you guys, that is what I picked up. Those items, I did pass on the little lipsticks. I would love to see that formulation and I want to go and touch and play in store with those. So that is what I picked up. Again, I will be doing tutorials of all of this all together. Right now I am wearing this quad today, as well as the Soleil Neige glow stick, so if that helps in the beginning. Now I do know that these were sold out on Beautylish and then have come back onto they're starting to come into retailers. So they are at Sephora as of this morning. Not everything was sold out. And then I've noticed that Nordstrom has not hit Nordstrom. And so I know that my Tom Ford is anxiously awaiting to have those show up into the store. And one other thing is I did pick up the Soleil Neige perfume. I believe that is coming to me today. So we will also check that out. So I hope this was helpful. Let me know what items that you picked up from this launch. So far, I have to say everything looks gorgeous and pretty. I cannot wait to play a little bit more. Okay, guys, have a great weekend and I will talk to you soon.